Okay, I'm Vlatko Sheshov. I'm coming from the Institute of Earthquake Engineering and Engineering Seismology. It is a part of University of St. Cyril and Methodius in Skopje in Republic of North Macedonia. So, yes, I'm very delighted to be a part of this ERIES project. And we are partners, one of the partners in the project. And we are, as you can say, a host institution. So far, we hosted 4 projects. And during this collaboration with the 4 research groups, really one of the main achievements is not only scientific results, but also we met wonderful people, colleagues, and particularly young people at the early stage of their careers. And I think maybe if I have to choose one of the biggest achievements of this project is this collaboration. And I think these project areas truly reflect the European research area, because I never saw so many different people coming from different countries in our institute during this research that we have with many researchers from different parts of Europe, but also in some of the projects even from Canada and Mexico. Apart from this, that we have met a lot of collaboration and we have a lot of friends. The achievements are very truly extraordinary, and I think these achievements of the ERIES project will trace a path for the new research and very innovative research in the field of generally engineering. And during these 4 projects that we have at our lab, we tackle problems which are not only engineering, but also some problems that I hope and I'm convinced that it will be a benefit for the society in order to build a resilient society. And really I'm very pleased to be a part of this, as I mentioned, and coordinating by very experienced people from EU Centre and EUS here from Italy. And I hope that these success stories of ERIES will continue in order to make even wider research among the European countries, although North Macedonia is not a member of European Union, but we are fully member of this research which is ongoing. So I hope Brussels will hear us and they will continue these success stories of ERIES in the future calls.